talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Microsoft Edge app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, so then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click on apps, come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Microsoft Edge app, or just click here on search. Then here add Edge. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.